For years, Škoda has been the smart choice. The car you buy when you want, Volkswagen engineering without the Volkswagen price tag. But with the 2027 Škoda Peaq, the Czech brand is no longer a marginalized brand. Rising from the ashes of the Vision 7S concept, the Peaq, spelled with a Q, because Škoda refused to break its SUV naming convention, is the brand's new electric flagship. It's a large 7-seater that replaces the Kodiaq at the top of the food chain and aims to rival the Kia EV9 and Volvo EX90 at a significantly lower price. This is a car review that proves that simple but smart can also be simple but big. The Peaq officially introduces Škoda's new design language, dubbed Modern Solid. The traditional grille is gone. In its place is a flat black glass panel called the Tech Deck Face that hides ADAS sensors. This gives the car a robotic, stormtrooper-like feel, a stark contrast to the Enyaq's friendly face. The headlights and taillights form a sharp T shape, pushing the car's visual width to the absolute limit. At over 5 meters long, it's a landship. But unlike the curvy EQS SUV, the Peaq is proudly boxy. The roofline remains flat all the way to the rear spoiler to ensure third-row passengers don't have to decapitate themselves to fit. The gray bumper cladding isn't cheap plastic. It's made from used tires. It adds a sturdy, functional texture that feels almost indestructible, perfect for withstanding the impact of shopping carts. If the exterior is tank-like, the interior is like a nursery. Unlike the Enyaq, the Peaq was designed as a 7-seater from the start. The third row is truly usable for teenagers, complete with USB-C ports and their own cup holders. Škoda has heard complaints about the touchscreen. The Peaq has a smart rotary knob, a physical rotary knob with an integrated digital display, similar to the new Kodiaq. You can rotate it to change the volume, seat heating, or driving mode without taking your eyes off the road. While the concept's rotating screen didn't make it to production, the relaxed seat mode remains. While charging, the front seats can be fully reclined, and the infotainment screen switches to a cinema display, transforming the car into a mobile living room. It wouldn't be a Škoda without some gimmicks. There are magnetic phone holders in the seat backs, an integrated vacuum cleaner in the trunk, and yes, umbrellas are still in the doors. This is the largest electric Škoda ever, so it needs the biggest battery. The Peaq features a massive 89 kWh usable battery pack. Thanks to efficient, modern, solid aerodynamics, it achieves a WLTP range of 373 miles, 600 kilometers. This means you can drive for 4+ hours at highway speeds on a full charge. It supports faster charging than the old Enyaq, with a peak charge of 200 kW. You can charge from 10% to 80% in less than 30 minutes, just enough time to give the kids a snack. This launch model features a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that produces over 300 horsepower. It's no race car, 0-60 in about 6 seconds, but it has enough torque to tow 2,500 kg, making it a legitimate trailer hauler.